Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So peaches are in season and I thought why not make an eggless peach cake. So let's get started. Start with 1 cup of yogurt or dahi. This is the regular yogurt I'm using. Add half teaspoon of baking soda and now give this a real good mix. You will see that after about 5 minutes it starts to bubble. Now in another bowl add all the dry ingredients. Start with 1.5 cup of flour. To that add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now mix this really well and keep this aside. Now in another bowl add 1 cup of granulated sugar. To that add half cup of vegetable oil. Now start mixing this very vigorously because this is the point you want to ensure that there are air bubbles in your batter and this will make your cake really fluffy. If you are using an electric mixer, use a high speed. Now add the yogurt mixture that has bubbled very well. Now mix this really well until you see that it has turned into a homogeneous mixture. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract and again mix it. Now you have to add your dry ingredients that you had prepared. I always use a sift because when you are making an eggless cake, it is very necessary that you sift your dry ingredients. Now sift them really well. Sift. I know this takes a lot of time, but it is worth the wait. Once done sifting, now you have to use a spatula to mix this really well. Now here is a very big news: do not overmix this batter. Just mix it to the point where you see there are no dry patches. Once done mixing halfway, add about 2 ripe peaches that are cut into small pieces. Just mix them into the batter till they are incorporated and covered with the batter. So my oven is preheating at 180 degrees Celsius and I'll be using this small baking mold lined with parchment paper and adding the batter that is made to it. Just smoothing of the top of the cake to ensure that it rises smoothly. Now add the peach pieces since this is a peach cake. So add a few peach pieces that I've cut into squares on top of the cake. Now once done, bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 30 minutes or until the toothpick that you insert comes out clean. Now let the cake cool for some time while you may have this directly, or you can add a buttercream frosting or even a cream cheese frosting. So our peach cake is ready and enjoy this most delicious peach cake ever. Also don't forget to dust it with some sugar because it adds to the sweetness of the cake. That's how fluffy it was. Enjoy.